Welcome everybody, big up, thanks for running back in at the Jamaican chat here. We're gonna just have a quick reason. This is not gonna be a long chat. Alright, so this is just a topic we're hot in the media, and we're Jamaicans and this is a Jamaican chat, so we're gonna chat about it. So popular channel Politrick Watch with Serpy, he has been doing videos, right? Because Serpy is all about, highlighting the negatives, not necessarily highlighting the negatives, but anything that is going to be a downfall on the country. It can be politics, it can be gunman, as he refers to them as 87 90s acting and so on. But he pretty much, he is that voice that comes forward, not pleased with all of them foolishness here what going on the country, and him not use no bucketive, him do it by himself, people. So I have to give him thumbs up for that. Big up yourself, Serpy. So today I have two videos right now. I have the video with the liar. I say, oh, Serpy, if you stop the video them about Shabdon and this and that. I have the video with Serpy do a while ago. It's just a little snippet, people, of the video that Serpy did a while ago. Because I'm not going to record the man whole video and compose it over here. You can go over there, sir, and watch it. You understand? So I'm going to jump in at the video them real quick. Before I jump in at the video them, I beg you to like, share, subscribe. Please help my channel for grow, people. I beg you, help my channel for grow. Alright, I could jump in at the video then real quick.
Donovan Collins, attorney at law who represents Linval Thompson Jr. Now, Linval Thompson Jr. is a partner of Shabdon Records, which is a well-established recording company. Now, Mr. Thompson Jr. has been the victim of several defamatory videos which have been posted by popular vlogger Serpy of Politrick Watch. Now, Serpy of Politrick Watch has sent out several videos, and in these videos he has clearly stated that Linval Thompson Jr. is involved in several crimes, murders, shooting, and also that he is a part of gang activities. Now, all these are false. Mr. Linval Thompson Jr. is a well-known, well-established businessman, and he is not involved in any criminal activity. Now, these defamatory videos have caused Mr. Thompson Jr. to suffer severe reputational harm. It has also caused him to suffer damages. And we are demanding that Serpy of Politrick Watch cease and desist from publishing any further defamatory videos.
Look at your screen. I knew about this move in advance. This right here is a screenshot from my Instagram. You can see my PIA special operative is talking to me. He's talking about the snake, and he mentions that his lawyer is going to be putting out a statement against the movement this week. I had all the information. I knew what was going to happen before it even happened. I said nothing. You see, these people think they're playing chess, when in reality, a snake and ladders. I want you to look at your screen right now. This is one of the many attempts the snake has already made to try to get me cancelled off YouTube. See, them a talk like say, a something where them I go do, something them I go try, and them I go, but here's the thing, people of Jamaica, yard and abroad. When them try them little tactics, and this is just one of them as you can see, this one was sent 10 days ago to me by YouTube. When them sent them little tactics, it look like Smart never explained to them how this thing work. You see, the people them go do them own investigations, find out who is this snake, and go realize the snake is in Uncle Sam's system. The snake was not just charged but convicted in a US federal court, after which he was deported back to Jamaica. So, the case that them not try put forward to get videos removed and channel take down, it was thrown out. You see, I was actually planning to do one of them little spooky operation.
Yeah, my people, as me saying, these are the videos I have. I could start a conversation now. Serpy did ready for that one here still, you understand? And you can go up on him channel, go check out him full story. The full video him do this morning, may I tell you. You have to wonder for some... Yeah, Serpy actually in a business. He must say, go and go do it. He must tell a liar, say, anything what you plan for do, go and go do it. He must say, and a film real name upon him YouTube channel, he must say a bag of things. You understand? And basically I say, you can't catch up to me in a phone legalities when I try. You understand? And he's also saying he knew about this. He knew that a lawyer got involved. He knew that a lawyer would have made a video. Everything. And he has his proof to back it up. You understand? Serpy is also saying that Shabdon contacted him from in 2020. That is before Serpy actually started doing the videos about him. You understand? So it goes a little way. You understand? So Serpy is of the notion now that Shabdon is scared. You understand? While Shabdon is trying to scare Serpy by getting a lawyer and so on. You understand? So it's the topic at people. Now I beg you, just make a jump in on that one here and have a reason. Have a discussion. I remember know only think about it and what only think Shabdon is a violence producer. But no say him do songs and all of them things. I know him a song producer. I don't know the violent aspect side. If any of my subscribers them know anything, bust some comments, man. I could get into the details about it. Yeah, but originally I don't want my channel be about, highlighting gunmen or anything like that, because at Jamaica we live, you don't want nobody come look for you. You understand? Yeah, I don't need for hide that. I can just put that out there. So we just a reason about it generally, people. You understand? We just a reason about it generally. It's a hot topic. We're not done said. We're not loggerhead. Things there in our head. You understand? So we must can talk about it. You understand? People, I done shoot about a video already. And this is my next video. So I beg you, just like up the video them, share up the video them, subscribe to the video them. You understand? This is your boy from Jamaican Chat, and I am out. Bless my people. Thanks for joining Jamaican Chat. Big up.